talking back. Neigh, neigh, here, quack, quack, there. Lots of animal sounds everywhere. Down on the farm, let's sing along with all our friends in this. Turkeys gobble, cats say meow, goats say ma, and donkeys bray now. The farm is full of sounds so bright. Sing along with all your might. Meow, meow here, bray, bray there. Lots of animal sounds everywhere. Down on the farm, let's sing along with all our friends in this fun song. Now it's time to say goodbye to all the animals far and wide. We learned their sounds, we had some fun. Sing it again for everyone. Moo, moo here, oink, oink there. Lots of animal sounds everywhere. Down on the farm, let's sing along with all our friends in this fun song.